Hello everyone, this is my Ford 600 series tractor, 4-cylinder. It has PTO 3-point hitch. I'm thinking to rebuild the engine. The reason to rebuild the engine or to proceed to rebuild the engine is I'm having some issues with this tractor. The middle two cylinders, they are having low compression. Number 2 and number 3. Number 1 and number 4, they have 120 psi pressure, but the middle two sister cylinders, they have 30 psi when I did the compression test a couple days ago. It started. It used to work since I own this tractor last few years, 3 years, and since then it was working fine, and it's a really a workhorse, very tough, and it does take a lot of abuse. It's really strong tractor. However, this is February 2019, and this tractor used to work at least start of the winter, couple months ago. It was running fine, and then it started giving me hiccups, and then when I brought it inside the garage, it ran, but it stops starting. It didn't start. So I tried it. I tried to investigate what is going on, and I ended up finding a couple of things broken. I'm not sure those parts got broke because of that in the same time frame or not. But one thing I found out, this ballast resistor got broke. The threaded rod inside it got broken in the middle. I'm not sure why, but when I was start looking at it, I was actually having electrical issues, no spark, voltage, not enough voltage, and when it was running last time, the voltage were actually were 12, approximately 12.2 or 4, but it was not charging the battery, and battery was keep dying, so I have to recharge every time. But suddenly, at the end, it stopped actually starting. It cranks without any problem, and cranks fine, but if you see this carburetor doesn't have I removed the intake tube from the carburetor so it can breathe. I removed it because I was trying to understand why it's not running or cannot start. So when I